it.
Ontario's weather this week includes a system that's bringing up to 20 centimeters of snow. Then, the cold snap will end, and temperatures will be closer to zero-C in some places. A new forecast released by the Weather Network revealed that a winter weather system will cause widespread snow accumulation in Ontario.
With the wind blowing, and it's minus 32. So this is what it's like.
This Clipper system is forecast to move across the province on Tuesday, February 10. It will bring a burst of snow to the snowbelts and the Golden Horseshoe in the morning. The snow could impact commutes for some drivers, especially if you're traveling in places near Lake Huron and Lake Superior, because that's where heavier snow is forecast. This system will move into eastern Ontario by Tuesday afternoon. Even though there will be a warm-up after that, it will still be cold enough for lingering snow off of Lake Huron. Between 15 and 20 centimeters of snow is forecast in Sudbury and the surrounding areas by Wednesday, February 11. There is the potential for 10 to 15 centimeters up north, including Sault Ste. Marie, and down south, including places near Lake Huron and Georgian Bay, through Bancroft and across to Ottawa. The Weather Network said to expect 3 to 5 centimeters of snow in Toronto and the GTA by Wednesday. Once this system passes, a near-seasonal air mass will move into the province. Daytime temperatures are forecast to rise above zero in southwestern Ontario on Tuesday. Toronto's weather could also be warmer than zero-C on Tuesday, which would end the city's extended sub-zero cold streak. The Arctic air has kept temperatures in Toronto cold for more than 20 days in a row. In the rest of Ontario, there will also be a warm-up this week. Even though temperatures will still be below zero, conditions will be warmer and much more bearable. By the end of the week, temperatures could dip back to slightly below seasonal, according to the Weather Network. Then there is the potential for an active weather pattern to develop in mid to late February. A Clipper system is moving across Ontario, delivering snowfall and travel disruptions from the snowbelts to the Golden Horseshoe and eastern parts of the province. The Tuesday morning commute will be impacted by snow, with the possibility of light freezing rain or ice pellets along a warm front moving through southern Ontario before dawn. The risk of icing seems to be isolated, but it could result in slick conditions, particularly in southwestern regions. As the system moves north late in the afternoon, snow will fall in Ottawa and Montreal, affecting the evening commute home, with 10 to 15 centimeters expected by Wednesday morning. In the wake of the storm, near-seasonal air will move into southwestern Ontario, causing temperatures to rise. Toronto may rise above zero-C for the first time in more than 3 weeks, while parts of southwestern Ontario may reach a few degrees above freezing. Temperatures will stay cold enough on Wednesday for scattered snow flurries, including lake-effect snow off Lake Huron, as a trough moves through the region. Gusty winds of 40 to 60 kilometers/h are expected in central and southern Ontario, resulting in blowing snow, poor visibility, and hazardous travel.